Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aubrey Valenzuela from STEM 12I, your future electrical engineer. In this performance task, we are assigned to create and design a working electroscope.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's begin.
First of all, let me introduce to you the materials that I use.
A glass of jar, 2 little pieces of aluminum foil, copper wire, small plastic tube, and lastly, glue gun and glue stick. For the design, I prepared to make it simple but incredible.
To test the electroscope, I use different kinds of materials, which are
PVC pipe and cloth, human hair and comb, and lastly, ruler and a piece of paper.
Now, let's watch how the aluminum pieces spread apart.
Plastic ruler and a piece of paper. PVC pipe and cloth. When I rub my cloth against the PVC pipe, the electrons from the cloth will get transferred. According to triboelectric series of table, PVC is more negative because it is in slot number 15, while silk is more positive because it is in slot number 8. Since I move the pipes closer to the electroscope, the electron on the piece of copper wire will move down away from the PVC pipes. Human hair and comb. When the electron move downwards, they will be transferred into the pieces of aluminum foil. At this stage, both pieces of aluminum foil will become negatively charged. Since they are both negatively charged, they will repel to each other. In this case, this will explain why the two aluminum pieces spread apart.
Now we know the process of the electroscope. Let's try to share it with our friends so that they will also experience the joy that we encountered while doing this task. Thank you for watching my virtual presentation. Have a nice day and God bless you.